Hello students. So, how are you? कैसा चल रहा है पढ़ाई? ठीक ठाक? I know you are feeling bored. Yes, is it or not? So, to watch the videos and these things are really bored, but we have to cooperate. We have to compromise with the situation. Now, situation is like that. There we have to read this way. Okay. But there is a good news to all of you that we are planning to start our offline class from 25th November. Okay, so only 1 week is left to meet you physically. Okay, so I am excited to meet you guys. Okay, because you are new to me, so I will like to meet you, introduce you. Okay, so today I'm just coming to revise all these things. What are these things? I'm going to discuss about the limit test of chloride, sulfate, iron, arsenic, and heavy metals. Okay. So I hope all of you have a basic idea about limit test. So what is limit test? Limit test is some quantitative and semi-quantitative tests which are carried out to know the amount of impurities present in any preparations. So you know what we mean by impurity. Impurity is the unwanted things present in any preparation. So in always when we are doing limit tests, we have to compare our test solution with a standard. I told you in the official book, that means pharmacopoeia, the limits are given, matlab limits of the tests are given, how to do these limit tests are given in the official book. From that reference we are doing this. Okay. So always when we do the limit test, we have to compare our test solution with standard solution, and then we came to the conclusion of results. So for every this limit test, so there is a basis or principles. And another thing, excluding arsenic for others, chloride, sulfate, iron, and heavy metals, we need the same apparatus. It is called Nessler cylinder. Okay. So for arsenic, what is the apparatus we use? This is the question for you guys. So you will, after watching the video, you will tell me what is the name of the apparatus which we take for arsenic limit test. Okay. So I told you that what is the basis of chloride limit test. The basis of chloride limit test is a very simple reaction where soluble chloride reacts with silver nitrate and it will produce silver chloride. Silver chloride is white precipitate and it is insoluble in water. That's why it will give a turbidity. Okay, by comparing the turbidity of chloride test solution with standard, we can determine whether it pass or fail the limit test. Same way in case of sulfate, also there is a very simple reactions. In this case, soluble sulfate reacts with barium sulfate reagent, barium chloride, and it will give barium sulfate, which is also insoluble in water, and it will give turbidity. And by comparing this turbidity, we can determine. For iron, there is another reaction is there. What is the reaction? It reacts with thioglycolic acid and it forms iron thioglycolate. Okay. So in this case, it will produce a color, purple color. By comparing the purple color with test with the of the test solution with standard, we can determine whether it is pass or fail. Then the arsenic. So arsenic limit test I'll explain in physical class properly. Already I have provided one video. You might be watch this, but it will be good when I will explain this arsenic limit test in the physical class. Okay. Then heavy metals. So in the for heavy metals also in the pharmacopoeia it gives three methods, method A, B and C. Okay, so method A is for colorless substance and B and C for colorful substances. Method for three methods, principle is same. When heavy metals reacts with hydrogen sulfide, it will form metal sulfide. Okay, the metals are sulfide form a colloidal preparation. By comparing the colloidal nature of the test with standard, we can say whether this heavy metal passed or failed the limit test. Okay, so for method A, it is a colorless substance. For method B, it is for colorful substance. Here we have to convert this colorful substance to colorless substance. And method C is for the substances which react with some one compound. I am not telling this name of the compound. You will tell me after the video, watching the video, and it will form colorless substance and it will. And then we have to perform the method. So this is the basics of all these limit tests. So I have provided the principle and procedures for all these limit tests. In exam question, certainly you will get a question from this sector, mainly from chloride, sulfate and arsenic. You will maximum chances of getting answer from this thing. Okay, so you may get question from all, but you may positively you will get question. Write down the principle or procedure of that limit test. Okay, so you will get this question. Another thing, there is another topic is there, it is modified limit test for chloride and sulfate. This topic is nothing. Don't worry, don't worry to see the word modified. So here it is not so important. That's why I'm not going to discuss now. I will discuss it later when we will get time. Okay, modified. In case of modified limit test, before doing that chloride and sulfate limit test, we have to convert the material. We have to treat the material with some other chemicals to get easy the process. Okay, so when we'll get time, we'll discuss this. I'm not going to discuss this topic now, as this topic is not so important. Mainly the important topic of this chapter is limit test for chloride, sulfate, iron, arsenic and heavy metals. You might be think I am repeatedly doing the same video, but don't feel bored, because you should know, because these topics are important. That's why I am telling this. And I will give some questions. You will write this and show to me. Okay, I hope all of you have watched those videos and you have gone through the material, and you have to prepare a note from that material. Okay, so video will help you to understand the matter properly, and the material will give you to proper guide to write how to write the answers. Okay, so this is for today, and again I request all of you to watch not only my videos, to all the faculty's videos and go on through the material. Okay, so thank you so much.